Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a black hat method to do CPA marketing. And actually I'm going to show you a huge website that you can use to get free traffic. But here is the thing, that website doesn't allow links. But there is a trick that I'm going to show you that you can use to get a link from that website and to get free traffic from that website. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. And for that you can use Max Bounty, you can use CPA Build, you can use CPA Lead or any other CPA affiliate network. But for this purpose I'm going to use CPA Grip. And here by the country I'm actually going to choose United Kingdom, okay? And here for the category I'm going to choose email and zip submit because those are the ones that are easiest to promote. And here you can see enter for iPhone 14. Now that is a good offer for this method. When I click here I can get more information. Enter your information now for a chance to win iPhone 14. I can earn $1.71 for every person who submit their information. And this is my CPA Grip affiliate link. I actually need that and I'm going to paste that in my notepad because like I said, I'm going to need that later. So now when I have my CPA offer, next thing I need to do, I need to start driving traffic to my CPA offer. And let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When you go on SimilarWeb, here you will see that this website got 178 million visits last month. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their traffic is actually coming from highly developed countries. And the website we are going to use is Imgur. And I know what you are thinking, well, Imgur doesn't allow links. And you are absolutely right. They do not allow links. But like I said, there is a trick that I'm going to show you that will allow you to use links on Imgur. And as you can see here, mostly funny stuff, memes and stuff like that works the best on Imgur. So to find inspiration for your own meme that is related to iPhone 14, in this case, you can simply go here on Google and here in search bar you can type something like iPhone meme and then go here on images and here you can find lots of iPhone related memes, or you can simply go on one of those meme related Instagram pages and find some funny stuff about Instagram or about iPhone 14 and use it as an inspiration for your own meme. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to make a post. So you need to go on Canva and then here you need to create a new post. So click here on create design and then click here on custom size and let's just say for example 600 with 800. Okay, doesn't really matter, you can create any size you want, but I will use this size here. And now you need to make your post. Now I already found an image that I wish to use. So this is the image and I will simply drag that here and I'm going to drag that to make it fit to my template, okay, just like this, okay? And you are wondering right now, well, how will this help? How do I use this to get a link to my CPA offer? So this is most important part of this video, so pay close attention. This is what you need to do. You need to go on this website called QR code generator and I need my CPA Grip affiliate link in this case and I need to paste it here, okay? And now I need to click here on download JPEG and this is, they automatically created a QR code with my CPA Grip affiliate link. And even though it says here sign up, you don't need to sign up. They automatically created and downloaded automatically this QR code that contains your affiliate link to your desktop. So what you need to do, you need to go back on Canva, click here on upload and this is the QR code. And now all I have to do is just add this code to this image here, okay? And I will actually make this a bit smaller, just like this. And here I need to add my call to action. So click here on this T for text. And let's just say, for example, I will use this text style. I don't need this. And here I will say something like this. Scan me, okay? Scan me. And I'm actually going to change the color of this text to be black, for example, okay? And now all I have to do is just move that here and make it smaller, just like this. And I will actually move it here. So this is my call to action. As you can see, this is not a regular call to action. So it says scan me. So when someone scans this QR code, it will be automatically redirected to my CPA offer. So all I have to do now is just click here on share and then click here on download and download this as a PNG or JPEG. I personally like PNG. Click here on download, give it a few seconds and it will download this to your desktop. Now what you need to do, you simply need to go back on Imgur and you need to scroll back here on the top, click here on new post and you need to upload your image. So click here on upload, okay, and this is my image, okay, and now you need to actually optimize this post for Imgur. Now your title should contain your main keyword. In this case it is iPhone 14, okay, and you will add something more, something catchy, something a bit clickbaity, okay, but for the purpose of this video I will just add iPhone 14 and I'm actually going to copy this. And you need to do exactly the same thing here in description. You need to add your main keyword in the description as well. And also you need to add tags. And in tags you need to add your main keyword. In this case it is iPhone. Okay, iPhone. And I will add another tag. It is iPhone. Let me just find iPhone 14. Okay, I made a mistake. iPhone 14, for example, iPhone 14 Pro, and I will just add another, and that is Apple, okay, Apple, and I will add just these 3 tags for the purpose of this video. Of course, you will add more tags, and all I have to do now is just click here on to community, and I will upload this meme on Imgur. And what you need to do, you need to make memes like this every day, and you need to upload these memes every day on Imgur. You saw how easy it is to make these memes, and every time someone scans this QR code, they will be automatically redirected to your CPA offer. So you added your link, your affiliate link, CPA affiliate link on Imgur without breaking rules. So this is the Blackhat method to do CPA marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.